Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a super cute dresser in Heartopia. So grab your half wall and you're just going to make it into 4 squares like so. And then we are going to need the joinery drawer cabinet, and this is how we are going to stack it. So we're going to place it here and then up here. I'm going to color it later, but I'm just going to stack them now so the video won't be super long. We're going to stack them like this, so 1, 2, 3 facing this way and then 2 facing the other way for the table. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to need the oceanic corner storage. And I'm just going to color it now, but you can color this a little bit later. We're just going to place 1 and then 2 and then 3. So it looks like shelves. And then here you can use any mirror that you want, but I only have this mirror that goes well with the theme right now, which is this one, and you're just going to place it in the middle like so. Oops. And then I'm also going to place a chair, and I'm just going to decorate the room. I might change the colors and a few designs of the room, but I'm just going to place it like this, and I'll add more decoration and add walls, and I'll see you with the finished results. And this is the final results. You're obviously going to want to add the ceiling and the walls and etc., but this is going to go in your house. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!